What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models CargoJet Boeing 757-200 without winglets, registration Charlie-Foxtrot Kilo Alpha Juliet. I know this is a fairly old model from them, or like an older release. I forget when this was released, but I know it was a while back. And I just now got it. Funny enough, I accidentally ordered two of these. So now I have two in the collection. Oh well, the same thing. Yeah, just decided to get this because it's another Canadian airline and another Canadian cargo operator just to add to the collection. So yeah, here's the box. Looking very nice. I love like the globe and the sort of Canadian, or the Canadian maple leaf, their logo. Looks very, very nice. So yeah, let's get right on into it. It's going to be a fairly quick one. There's not a whole lot to go over this model. I've seen these in Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, Vancouver, various places that I've been to in Canada, and I figured, it's just nice to have one of them models in the collection. So very nice packaging here. We'll take her out. I didn't get the one with the winglets as that was sold out, but managed to get one of these, well, two of them, and it is what it is. But yeah, here we go. Oh wow, very nice. Looks great. Excited to have this in the collection for sure. So here we have it. CargoJet 757-200 without the winglets. Looking very, very nice. So here we go. Let's get right on into it. Got the cockpit area, the nose, looking very nice. You got that L1 door there. CargoJet.com right there. You can see this was a conversion from a passenger aircraft. I don't know who operated it before. I didn't do that much research, but yeah, then you have the cargo door right there, L2 door there, and then you can see all the windows that were filled in along. But here's the CargoJet titles, very nice. I love the red and the black, got the antennas as well. Gear, looking fantastic, the nose gear there. Got the engines and everything, are really nice as well. These are the Rolls-Royce, I believe, yeah. Looking very nice, got the main landing gear and the wings looking great. Moving along, got that L3 door there. It's kind of pretty much the last door because they took it out. I guess there would have been one back here, but they took that out. You got the registration there, Kilo Foxtrot, Charlie Foxtrot Kilo Alpha Juliet, Canadian flag, nice little red antenna right there, and then you got the tail with the logo, the sort of globe and the maple leaf. Looks really nice. Very, very nice. We'll take a look at it head on here, looking really good. The 7.5 model is fantastic from NG models. It's very nice. And you can this side you can see more like the windows that were closed in and whatnot. There's no door on this side now, and you can just kind of see that. But you got the cargo doors there, the back and the front. Looking very nice. And that's pretty much it, guys. I know this has probably been reviewed many times and whatnot, but I figured I'd just do a video on it. Anyways, just my take on it. It's a very nice model. I'm very happy to have it. And as I say, now I have two pieces of these, but so be it, so be it. Anyways, guys, I hope you did enjoy. And if you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.